Get ready to be amazed. This is the Kitsch heatless curler system. All it is 2 scrunchies and a silicone bendy wire thingy. Not silicone, satin. Hello, here's what you do. Straight out of the shower, blow dry your hair to where it's like almost dry, but still has like the heaviness of feeling damp. All right, split your hair in 2. Put it in front. Get your bandy thingy. Put it on top of your head like this. Okay? And secure it to the top of your head like this so it doesn't move around. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just gonna be grabbing a section, wrapping it over it, and then grabbing another section. So basically the smaller you grab, the tighter the curls. So if you want like beachy waves, grab bigger sections. And if you want ringlets, grab tinier sections, okay? Here I go. Okay, I'm done. So what I did is like continued to wrap the ends. I kind of leave some of the ends out, and then you put the scrunchies over the bottom part to keep everything in place. Pro tip is to take the ends and twist them backwards, like the direction of the curls, as tightly as you can, and that will just like secure the curls, like make them even tighter. If you have another claw clip, you can put them behind your head, cross them, and clip it back here, just so it's like out of the way. Some people apparently then walk out of the house like this. So basically what you do next is you wait, and I've had success waiting just 2 hours. But the best results are to sleep in it overnight. I don't like doing that because it feels weird on my head. But yeah, basically just wait anywhere from 2 to as long as you can, 5 hours. And then I'll show you what it looks like when you take it out. Okay, I'm back. Ready to show you. Ready? So I meant to take these out a long time ago, but now it's 5 p.m. So they've been on for like 7 hours, so the equivalent of a night of sleep. So now you just jiggle it, kind of help it off itself. Come on. Ta-da! Red carpet ready. Okay, JK. But isn't this crazy? Look at these. This is like tighter ringlets than you would get with any curling iron, right? That's so crazy. And my hair's totally dry. It was damp when I put it in. Took about 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes to roll it onto the things. This is 7 hours wearing it, but you get a very similar result just with 2 or 3 hours. Okay, you ready for the big reveal? What I did is I tossed my head forward and I ran my fingers all through it like this. Okay, ready? Ta-da! Now I'm red carpet ready. It will fall and relax in time. But if I was going to like a wedding, I would just spray, right? I would just spray and go. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. And then you fine tune it how you want it. Pretty amazing though, right? Heatless curls, crazy. Okay, bye.